with a new 18-volt floating speaker light show. This flip-resistant floating speaker connects to any Bluetooth-capable device to fill your yard with 360 degrees of sound. Conveniently play music and adjust the volume using your Bluetooth device from up to 100 feet away, or use the onboard controls. When the sun goes down, enhance the look of your pool with 12 multicolor LEDs, and customize the underwater light show with 3 operating modes. Play mode changes the sound of your music. No two light shows are alike. Pulse mode gradually fades from one color to the next. And sleep for those times when you want to listen to music without a light display.
Cladman is an ingenious tool invented by Jamie at Site Buddies in the UK. It helps you fit cladding boards of all types and sizes, quickly, efficiently, and above all accurately. And you can even work on your own. Imagine Cladman as your extra pair of hands. And Cladman is easy to use too. Having carefully fitted the first board in place at the bottom of the wall, and having adjusted the 2 Cladmen to suit the dimensions of the board you are using, checking they are both level, fix them to the vertical battening, slide in the next board supported on the rollers, fix in place and repeat up the wall. Before you know it, the job is done. Any tricky cutting around window and door frames are easy to do, as Cladman holds the board in place while you mark it out. When you've almost reached the soffit, Cladman can be adjusted to fit the restricted space, so you can install the last but one board in the normal way. The final cut board under the soffit can then be pinned in place. When fitting out a gable end, Cladman becomes your extra pair of hands, supporting the board as you check for level and fix in place.
The rigid one-stop wrench is a compound 2-in-1 tool that makes plumbing work faster than ever. It is simple and easy to use, and is the ultimate tool when working with supply lines and shutoff valves. The rigid one-stop wrench includes a 15/16" open-end wrench, a 9/16" open-end wrench, and a 12-point flare nut wrench. The smaller wrench is stored within the tubular body of the larger wrench. Unscrew the bottom, and it's ready to use. Insert the lug at the end of the smaller wrench into the riser mouth of the angle stop for positioning and stability. While holding the smaller wrench in the desired position, you can use the larger wrench to tighten the back compression nut. The open-end 12-point flare wrench is designed to slip over the supply line and onto the riser nut. The rigid one-stop wrench can be used for straight stops, angle stops, faucet nuts, toilet bowl bolts, shower heads, and appliance legs. The rigid one-stop wrench is designed by plumbers for plumbers, providing you all of the exact sizes.
Milwaukee introduces the M12 and M18 cable strippers, delivering the most consistent, best access cable stripping in the industry. Designed with no exposed blades, the M12 and M18 cable strippers protect you against cut injuries on the job. Milwaukee's quick change bushings have capacities up to 750 MCM THHN and XHHW cable, as well as 500 MCM RHW, RHH, and USE cable. Our optimized bushing design prevents nicks on the material while delivering clean strips without jacket jams. Strip up to 3 inches of cable with the adjustable depth gauge for more accurate, consistent strips. Milwaukee's cable strippers' compact head design allows you to access tight spaces on any job site. The Milwaukee M12 and M18 cable strippers are built for your job site.